Hi, this video on the HRC 9000 combo receiver is going to cover the topic of how to sort, delete and organize our channels. So if we come along and look what we have here, we have at the very top of our list we have a pile of the BBC Channel 4 channels are being duplicated, and back here we have the Irish channels, which presumably would like to put to the top of the list. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to cover the topic of how to do this. So we'll come along and we'll press the menu button and we'll scroll down as far as edit channels, and we'll come into TV list. So we have the different options here. So the first thing we want to do is we probably want to, just for example, put RT1 and 2 to the top of the list. So we'll hit the yellow button here, which is move, and we select RT1 and we can scroll down like this. And at the very top of the list, we'll move it. So press OK again. We'll scroll back up here and we'll grab RT2, do the same thing, highlights it, and then when we press the OK button again, it'll actually dump it into that location. So we'll repeat this for all the other ones. So let's just exit out of that, we'll say, because we don't want to move any more channels. And what it will do here now is we'll press the blue button to edit. So edit, I sure you want to save, yes, so it's going to save the moves. And now we're into edit, so it gives it a choice if we'd like to sort or delete. So what we actually want to do is, having 6 different variations of channel 4 probably doesn't do as much good. So I'd like to delete it. So I press the blue button and you see it's moved up now to delete. So we know delete, we're in delete mode. And at this point we can actually just go select, select, select. So this is a very handy thing. And some boxes what will happen is when we go to delete, you select it for delete and then it'll say specifically for that channel, would you like to delete it? But this one, it lets us select large amounts, so it makes the actual deleting process very, very quick, okay? So we might come down here and we might say this is nonsense and this is nonsense as well, okay? So we're happy enough there. We want to go with, we want to delete those channels, leave everything else in place. So we simply hit exit and exit again, and it says would you like to save, and yes. And if we exit all the way out here now, and we go back to top of our list, we'll see now we have RT1 on top of the list, then channel 4 and things like that. So you can see how effective this has been. We've pulled in, we've been able to sort and delete the channels, things like that. So it's relatively quick to do it. To work your way through the entire list from start to beginning, if you had actually tuned in the Irish channels and the satellites manually with this particular box, I would say it'd probably take you in the region of maybe half an hour to get it exactly the way you want it. So, you know, it's certain investment in time. Most people choose to buy the boxes pre-programmed with the satellites and just add on the Irish and put them to the top of the list afterwards. But that's just totally a matter of personal taste.